Hey, are you having trouble changing language on Spotify? You can follow these quick and simple steps to change your language on Spotify. Hi everyone, it's me from Channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'll help explain how to change language on Spotify. At first, open Spotify on your phone and make sure you have already created an account. Here on the left top corner, tap on your profile. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Content and Display, which is just below Account. Now tap on the bottom of the page, that is App Language. Tap on Continue. Here you can choose any language of your preference and tap on it. And with that, you have changed your language on Spotify. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to like this video and stay tuned for more.